Welcome back everyone to Edupreneur Diaries. In this video, I am super excited to share with you guys how I use my escrow surplus check to buy dividend stocks. I'm going to be using the platform Robinhood to do this. I'm also going to show you guys as a bonus how I did a mobile deposit of my check into my Chime account. And then of course, I transferred that money into my Robinhood account. So stick around. Hello everyone, welcome back to Edupreneur Diaries. Today I am super excited. This video is going to be a little bit different. I have not done any investment videos, I don't think at all, other than when I talked about the course that I purchased. I think it's called Trade and Travel, years ago, that I never even looked at, by the way, but I'll get into that later. This one, I want you guys to watch me use my escrow surplus check to buy some dividend stocks. Recently, I have been learning or trying to learn more about investing. I am by any means, I'm not an expert at all, so y'all don't do anything that I'm doing in the video. I'm just learning and I'm just, recording while I learn, right? You guys can comment below, give me some tips, some ideas, whatever you need to say. I'm not going to get offended because I'm not an expert. But in my video that I did on my budgeting video, my March budgeting video, I talk about how I use extra income to, for example, put into my fund money account to buy like fast food or to buy things that, my wants, I should say, right? So some of you are probably like, where do you get the extra income? What do you mean invest your... So this is an example of extra income, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I got my escrow surplus check in the mail 2 days ago, and I was just thinking to myself, what am I going to do with it? And so I decided to add it to my dividend stock account, and I decided to record it. So I want to show you guys what I am doing with this check. So that's what this video is about. I want y'all to come with me, and I want y'all to see me buy some shares. I'm excited, y'all. I'm telling you, I think this is going to be my favorite thing to do. All right, so let's jump in, y'all. But before I do that, y'all, this video is about so much more than just investing, because a lot of people don't know that you can do mobile deposits. A lot of people don't know about Chime or don't know about just, banking accounts in general. I personally love Chime. I love Borrow. I have so many accounts, y'all. Y'all, it's terrible. But even if I don't use the checking accounts, I still have them. I know, y'all. Comment below and let me know how many checking accounts you have. Y'all already know I use credit cards, right? So I talked about that. Everything goes to a credit card. I don't even use checking accounts like that. But anyway, let me get back to the topic. So I use my Chime account to do a mobile deposit of my check. So as you can see, here's my escrow check. It was $94.50. And y'all remember, I just purchased a home. I think it's been about 2 years now. I did a video on it. Or did I? Actually, I don't think I actually did the video that I wanted to do on my home. But I talked about it in some of my videos. But anyway, $94.50 is what I got. And so after thinking about it, I decided to put it into my new Robinhood account that I've been created. I just started this account in December of 2024. And I wanted to buy stocks that offer dividends. And I wanted to see how much I could grow the account in a year. So this is where I'm going to put this check. And I wanted you guys to see that I made a mobile deposit on March the 12th. And it was instant. Okay, so the deposit went through instantly, which is why I love mobile deposits, y'all. Oh, I love them. So I took a couple screenshots so you guys can see. My deposit went through, and this is my Chime account, and then it shows my total balance. Now remember, this Chime is the account that I use for my fund money account. Okay, so this account goes up and down, just depending on what I'm buying. So right now, after I made the deposit, you can see I have $574 and some change. All right, so after I made my mobile deposit. Here's just a screenshot showing you guys that the deposit came through. I just wanted to show you guys this. Also, I want to give a shout out to All Things Alicia for commenting on my video. You have made my video screenshot. I did not crop you out, so shout out to her. You guys go ahead and follow her channel as well, right? All right. These are just screenshots showing you all that I transferred $94.50 from my Chime account to my Robinhood account. I already had $22.77 of spending power in that account. And here's just another screenshot showing the deposit was initiated. And it is an instant deposit, you guys. So whenever I transfer from my bank account to Robinhood, it goes through instantly. And so here is my investment account. You can see that now I have $117. And here is the investing amount, $1,141.60. And if you don't know, stocks have been down the last few weeks, which is a good thing for me because I'm trying to buy low. But you're gonna see here in a minute when I show you my live account that my account is down significantly, right? But let's jump in and take a look at Robinhood. All right. Okay, wait, but before I show you Robinhood, I just want to mention that I do deposit $10 a day into my investment accounts. Okay, so I have reoccurring investments. I have $5 going into VTI and I have $5 going into one other stock. And this stock typically changes. I'll change it up once I get 1 or 2 shares. I'm just kind of starting from the beginning, y'all. So it changes up, but VTI stays the same. I'm gonna keep going, putting $5 into VTI. So when I started this during Christmas, the idea was to put $5 into a company every time I spent money that I should not be spending. So for example, if I went to Walmart, okay, I gotta put $5 into the Walmart stock, right? If I go to McDonald's, I gotta put $5 into the McDonald's stock. Now, the stocks that I put money into, though, they have to give or pay a dividend. If the company does not pay a dividend, then I will put the money into, another company. But that's kind of been working out for me. I kind of like the idea. So that's kind of what I've been doing. That's how I built up my account to over $1,000. But then I decided to do this and to start putting extra income into the account as well. So that's why I'm doing this video. That was the idea when I started this account in December. So we're going to see if I can keep that up. And now we're going to go into Robinhood for real this time. So remember, I've always had an investment account with my 9-to-5 job, but I've never managed my own investment account until 2020. And, like I said, I've just been learning a lot in the past few years. But I've been diving deeper into it within the last few months, I would say. So right now we're in Robinhood, and what I love about Robinhood is just how easy it is to use. Now, I'm always on my phone using Robinhood. I never buy online, so this is going to be my first time buying online, y'all. I wanted to purchase some shares live, while the stock market was open, but I was having a hard time finding the time to do it while I'm at work. So so I decided to just say, okay, forget it. I'm just going to go ahead and buy when the stock market is closed, and then the order will go through the next day. But I kind of wanted to do it live because I wanted to get the stocks when the prices were as low as possible. But that's okay, right? That is okay. So here is my Robinhood account. You guys can see on the right side here the stocks that I already have. Now notice not very many of these at all is even 1 share. They're just fractional shares because I just started this account. Now, I did not mean to purchase so many shares of different companies here. I just kind of got beside myself. Okay. But this wasn't the plan. I had a plan, but I kind of, just kind of went overboard. But What I'm going to do today is just invest my $94 into a couple of these. I kind of like the weekly paying dividend stocks, and you guys are going to see some of these. Let's see which one are weekly. YMAX is weekly. YMAG is weekly. LFGY is weekly. I don't want to just sit here and name all of them, but some of these are weekly, you guys, and I kind of like seeing those weekly dividends come up on my phone. So anyway, let's get into it. Before we do, I'm going to click on one of these. Let's click on SCHD. It's the first one up here. And if you have never used Robinhood, I just kind of want you to see what it looks like. Notice SCHD is down 14 cents today, but also up overnight. You can scroll down to the bottom here to get information about the stock if you didn't know that. So it tells you, for example, the number of holdings for this particular stock, the inception date, the different sectors that's included. We got the top 10 holdings within SCHD, and you guys can, just look at this, pause the video if you need to, or go take a look yourself. Now, what I do like to look at is I like to look at the 52-week high and the 52-week low, and then kind of compare it to what the current price is to see, what I'm buying this for right now. Because like I said, of course I would prefer to buy as low as possible. But you can also dollar cost average and just kind of, put a little bit in every single day. You can also see the 30-day yield as well here. So a lot of information here that you can look up and see. All right, so let's get into it for real. Let's see, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go ahead and start buying, or spending, I should say, my $94. And I think the first thing I want to do is get one share of a weekly paying stock that I don't have here yet, and that's going to be GPTY. So I'm going to search for that. This is the Yield Max AI and Tech Portfolio Option Income ETF. Again, it's a weekly payer. It's expensive, so I might not get a share. Now, when I say it's expensive, compared to the amount of money that I'm using, it's expensive. I only have $94. So I'm going to buy order, and I'm not going to do shares. I'm not going to do shares. I don't see where it's letting me do fractional shares on this one. Hang on, you guys. Y'all let me know if I'm overlooking something, but I don't see where it's asking for me to buy in dollars. Anyway, since I'm going to have to buy a whole share apparently of this, I'm going to do a limit order. I'm going to, listen, I recommend y'all do limit orders on whatever you do. Sometimes I just want to do a market order because I just want to spend my money and I don't want to have to see if the limit order went through, if I have to do something the next day. Anyway, but I'm going to do it for this one. Let's say $40 instead of $40.33. I'm pretty sure this will come down tomorrow, probably even lower than that. But we're just going to do $40. We're going to do one share. Market hours expires at 4 p.m. That is fine. Well, I'll tell you what, the bid is 36. Let's go down. Y'all see I'm a newbie, right? Y'all can tell, right? I know y'all can tell. Let's go $37, y'all. If it doesn't hit tomorrow, then I'll just go and buy it at market order. If it doesn't hit before 4 o'clock, I'll just go buy a share at whatever it is, as long as it's lower than $40. All right, we're gonna do that. Yeah, let's do that. Review order and buy. So let's see if it hits 30. I don't think it's gonna go down that far, y'all. It's not gonna go down that far. Anyway, it's not gonna drop there. I don't think this drops that far. These income ETFs, I don't think they drop that far. Anyway, but we'll leave it like that just for the video's sake, y'all. I'm sorry, this video is getting too long. Let me hurry up. So here we go. I'm gonna go back to investing and I'm gonna try. Let's do, I want to add a few dollars here. Hopefully it's going to let me buy in dollars. It is. This one's letting me buy in dollars. I'm thinking that maybe the other one didn't let me buy dollars because I didn't have any shares or fractional shares. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to do $5. Somebody tell me in the comments. I'm sure you guys know. This is, by the way, this is your Max Gold Miners Option Income Strategy ETF. It is currently $15.80 at closing. We're going to do $5 into this. Okay. Remember, I do have some recurring investments. BTI, and then let's see what my other recurring is. LFGY is another, I think this, yeah, that's one of my weekly pairs. Yeah, so. Alright, so let's see what was down today. Just about everything, right? I'm going to do $5 into, this is a Defiance ETF. I'm going to do $5 into this one. Notice it tells me my buying power. I do need to leave $10 into this account because I have the $10 coming out each day, and tomorrow is Friday, so I want to have $10 in there for Friday, and then every weekend I'll put $50 in for the week. That's kind of how I do it. McDonald's really dropped today, so I am going to, I have $50 left. I'm going to put $10 into McDonald's. Is it going to let me do a fractional? It is going to let me do fractional. I think I was just clicking the wrong thing. I need to click fractional order share, and then done. Alright, and let's see what else we're going to do, y'all. Y'all can see I didn't have a plan, right? I'm just literally going through here and selecting things as I go along. Your Max Palantir Option Income Strategy. I have $40 left. Remember, we got to keep $10. I'm going to do $5 into this one. Okay. Then we're going to go back. And yeah, another one that I like, it seems to do well no matter what the market is doing. And that's waste management. Alright, I'm not going to put anything in it. I'm just telling y'all. I'm just telling y'all I like waste management. Anyway, let's see. I think I'm going to do Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. We're going to keep doing $5 here. Fractional order. We're going to select buy and done. Let's go back. Alright, I think I'm going to do VICI. I don't know if this is VC Properties, but if I'm pronouncing that right. But we're going to try to do $5 here as well. Fractional order, buy order. A lot of these that I don't have one share of, I'm just trying to build it up. So let's go ahead and go to O, which is Realty Income, but the ticker symbol is O. Alright, we're going to do $5 fractional order. We're going to buy. Y'all remember, this is my first time ordering on the desktop. I'm usually on my phone, so forgive me. And let's do Main. This is Main Street Capital. And remember, you guys can scroll down and read about these companies if you wish. Fractional order, we're going to select buy. We're going to hit done. All right, I think we got about $5 more that we can spend. Let's make it a good one. And Costco is down almost $100 from the time I think I actually started. So I think I'm going to go up to Costco, y'all. I think I'm going to go to Costco. And I think I'm going to do, let's put the change in there too. $5.27 is what I have left. Remember, I got to leave $10. So we're going to do $5.27 into Costco. And we're going to hit done. Y'all, I think we did it. We have invested our entire surplus check into some dividend paying stocks. And we're going to let it run, and tomorrow everything is going to hit except my limit order. It probably won't hit, and I'm tempted, y'all, to edit this because I'm going to be busy tomorrow, and I don't want to have to remember to check on it. So what I did was I went back to my limit order, and the 52-week low is $39.38. So I think that's what I'm going to keep it at, $39.38, to see if it hits that tomorrow. And yeah, so let's try that, y'all. Let's try that, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay. Now I do want to say that I do have another account with Robinhood, the Roth IRA, and in that Roth IRA, I've been trying to learn how to trade options. So I'm trying to get into trading options, you guys. I'll keep you updated on that. And I may even make a video about it. But again, I am not by any means an expert. So I'm just learning and sharing what I'm learning. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching so much. Sorry this video took a long time. I hope I didn't ramble on and on too much. I'm sorry. This is my first time doing an investment video. But if you guys are loving my content, don't forget to subscribe if you're still here and you're still watching. Keep coming back. Share my videos with others. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Welcome back, everyone, to Edupreneur Diaries. In this video, I am super excited to share with you guys how I use my escrow surplus check to buy dividend stocks. I'm going to be using the platform Robinhood to do this. I'm also going to show you guys as a bonus how I did a mobile deposit of my check into my Chime account. And then, of course, I transfer that money into my Robinhood account. So stick around.